Hey, welcome back. Gotta find my sunglasses. Hold on a second. Found them. All right, let's get to work. All right, today, well, the previous owner of this property put this barn about 1,600 feet away from the edge of the road, which means it's too expensive to get electrical here, and my well is 1,600 feet that way. So I would like a hydrant out here at the barn, so today we're gonna run a water line. I've got all of my piping ready to go. In order to run this water line, I picked up cheap subsoiler from Tractor Supply. Pretty light duty, but all I needed to do is 3 passes. And my plan is to use a subsoiler to make a trench from here to the well house. And then I've made a pipe lane attachment for the back of it that I'll show you in a little bit. And that's what I'm going to use to feed the black pipe into the trench. The subsoiler from Tractor Supply is pretty light duty, and it just does not go very deep. So I'm going to try and make a couple passes if I can to hopefully get the trench a little deeper. But that's what I've got, so let's go give it a try. And yes, I know it's going to be kind of tricky getting the subsoiler into the same trench all the way from here to there a couple of times, but we'll give it a try and see what happens. Figure all I got to do is follow the tractor footprints. So, all right, let's see how it goes. All right, I have gone all the way down to the well house and back. Looks like I have the world's worst mole problem. Time to hook up the pipe lane device to the subsoiler. And I know what you guys are thinking. This is Michigan. Things freeze. This pipe is only going to get down maybe a foot if I'm lucky. It's going to freeze in the winter. Well, no problem, because every fall I blow out the irrigation system, and I'll blow this line out as well. And I never use the water in the wintertime, so it won't freeze. Anyways, here's my subsoiler attachment. All right, this is my pipe lane attachment that I built, and it bolts right onto the back of the subsoiler. There we go. Boy, I hope this works. I know I'm not going to get into the plumbing business with this, but at least I'll have water out here. There's kind of questions I do have about it, though. I mean, for example, it's 1,600 feet of water, and that length of water moving through a pipe when I'm running the hydrant out here. I wonder how much of a hydraulic head that will create coming out the other side. It is a bit of a concern for me. All right, so the pipe comes in here, fed through. Helps out having hot, bendable pipe. Comes out the bottom. All right. Now all I got to do is make sure that pipe doesn't pull out. Well, this is really fortunate. I found a pickup truck and a chain to attach to the cinder block that is roped to the pipe. All right, let's try this again. The water line is now finally run all the way to the well house and is hooked up to the well. It's been flushed out and time to hook up a hydrant. Ooh, that's a deep hole. Needs a hydrant in it. All right, the hydrant is set initially. Now I just have to throw some dirt on top and level it up and we'll be ready to go. All right, hydrant's installed. Time to go turn the pump on and test it out. Let's give it a try. Works good. Just gonna let it run for a little bit. And it's hot, it's muggy. It's time for me to go home and get dinner. Thanks for stopping by.